Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Farah. Today we're going to be cooking an Asian style dish which is called bhindi. It's also known as ladyfingers. For this recipe we will need around 4 to 5 finely diced onions, some garlic and some ginger, some tomatoes and around 3 chilies, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of red chilies, a teaspoon of cumin powder and a teaspoon of garam masala. And finally you will need 1 kg ladyfingers. That's bearing in mind that I'm cooking for a family of 6, so that is quite a lot to cook, so you may need to amend your ingredients depending upon how much ladyfingers that you actually use. So the first thing you will do is you'll fry your ladyfingers. So I'm just going to put mine in the pan now. The oil is quite warm. So when the ladyfingers begin to look a bit like this, we need to take them off the pan. And just put them onto a dish like this. The next step of the process is just to add 1 or 2 teaspoons to the pan of cooking oil. I add extra virgin olive oil. So following on from that, you will add your onions. Okay, so next we'll just add a little bit of our garlic and ginger paste. Tiny little amount. Then we go in with the tomatoes and the green chilies. So there's the salt, turmeric, red chilies, cumin powder and the garam masala. Give it a good shake. So the next step is to add all of the ladyfingers. Leave the cooker on slow heat. There you go, that's nicely mixed. Add the top and allow this to cook in its own steam. So there we have it, our ladyfingers are now ready. We can eat this with either roti, as in chapatis, or naan, or bread. It's a really easy to make recipe, it's very delicious and my family really enjoy it. It's a really easy and delicious recipe to make. Try it at home and let me know how you got on in the comment section below. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.